McKenna Lauzon here. I'm going to be doing Dinky Drink here, and I'm going to be doing the Play-Doh challenge, and this is what I made earlier. I'm going to try to copy it. Okay, and we're going to start now. I got 10 minutes on the clock. Okay, so I'm squishing my purple Play-Doh. Might look blue on the camera, but it's actually purple. I'm using my phone, so it's kind of hard to get the colors that I want. This is way off. Yeah, that looks blue. Okay, this is my shape. I need black. Got my black here with me that I made. I made this color. Okay, so this is gonna be my mouse. I'm gonna set you in my phone holder here. So you see that while I fix my mouse. This is my mouse. It looks like a mustache. Mustache man. This is looking horrible. I mean horrible. Got 8 minutes left. Wait, 7. Got 7 minutes left, guys. I really gotta hurry. Come on. Little feet. This is what I got so far. Almost done, guys. Pretty bad. If you think it looks good, put it down in the comments, but I think it looks horrible. Let me take a look at my guy here. It's like splashing up. How do I do that? Maybe Dinky Drink wasn't such a good one to copy. She's like impossible to. Or he, whatever. Here, that. And I'll get my straw. That would be my straw, actually. Okay, so I'm done. This is what my Dinky Drink looks like. And this is what it was supposed to be. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, but I'm going to be doing another one before I end this video. If I can find one. So, put these all back. Yellow, yellow, green, green, black, black, purple, black, 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 black. Bentley, stop it. Green. Green. Don't mind him. He's just yelling for me. Wait a second, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go tell my aunt something. Ashley, Billy's bothering me. Billy's bothering me in my video.
Was the gate closed?
Yeah.
Well, if it doesn't bother you, shut your door.
Okay. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My brother and my brother. I don't like that. I think I found one already, guys. I'm gonna do April apricot in a red instead of orange. Time starts now. It's gonna shut me off, so don't mind that. I'm getting my ball shape kind. Gotta get the arms. This one I'm just doing for fun. I'm not doing the challenge one for this one. So yeah, guys, sorry about that. I'm not doing the challenge one. This is what I got so far. Okay, now we're going to do the eyes. This is what I got now. Little dots because I don't have white. I'm going to get them in some future videos. Probably not going to be for a while. This is looking horrible, guys. This is looking horrible. This looks like an apple. Apple apricot. Get my freckles on here. If you guys like this, put it down in the comments, but I hate it. It's looking horrible. Almost got it. Okay, I'm almost done. One more freckle. Oh no, his eye fell off. His eye fell off. Your other eye fell off. I'm not doing very good. Okay, so I'm done my April apricot. This is what it looks like. That's what it was supposed to be, guys. Thank you. I hope you like this video. McKenna Lauzon, give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment down below. Which one do you think was better, April apricot or Dinky Drink? Bye.